njengoba manje uyawubona lijaha Sifiso umfokahlathi uyaliphosa lela bhola wakaHlandi uyoliphosa lela bhola yavinjwa kodwa livinjwa njena. Ukhumbule ukuthi iqembu leThanda Royal Zulu ngilo ledlalela sihledile ku position 12 sidlala imidlalo lengemashumi nesiphohlongo banemaphuzu futhi lengamashumi nesiphohlongo.
The children who sit on one of the practice fields, the trees in the practice field just outside the stadium, watching on over the fence. Inshallah. Zwane wanted to work it, so did corner taken, deep again. Santi should recover this, keeps it in play. Tuck in across the face of goal. Could be there for anybody who'll get the
Pasa Sifiso Nhlanhla ubira futhi emuva. Uphele baliphakamisa yofika ku-18.
Do not concede or indeed push for a cushion goal. Santi taking his time in possession. Looking to go over the top. Again, the little chase on here.
Tata umvana Kininza. Thanda Royal Zulu beyilwa lenambi agesibone emaphupho. Kunjalo lomuhla 18 aykhona. Thanda Royal Zulu kuphuka ngokuthi Themba kodwa
Sean. Now set piece. Thanda decent looking, needed a touch, but the touch too strong and misdirected the effort.
Lona bekunene kodwa uthethe Nimrod Mfokathengwa ake sambe nalo phakathi enkundleni njengoba sibona ema-documents uthi kude lutho lekuvuthako nine bekunene